Hello my dear students, I am Vivek Singh and I am the faculty of Indian Economy for UPSC. I take economy classes at Karol Bagh, Old Nagar Center of Unacademy. We are conducting an offline workshop for all those UPSC aspirants which may appear in 2025 or 26, where we will be discussing regarding how to approach UPSC for our 25 or 26 exam. You all can come to attend this workshop, and this is totally free, and this workshop is being conducted at our offline Unacademy offline center on 14th January at 3 p.m. So you all are most cordially invited to attend this workshop.